Hello everyone.
Welcome to Food as Medicine channel. Brinjal rice with Wangibath powder. Already there is a video with Wangibath powder preparation. This can be a lunchbox recipe and the taste will be very excellent. Wangibath powder can be used with any vegetable rice. This will take minimum 25 minutes of preparation. Let's see this. Take 3 brinjals, cut it and put it in water. In a dry pan, add 2 spoons of oil and heat it. Add 1 spoon of mustard seeds and wait until it splatters. Add 1 spoon of chana dal. This will give crunchy taste. Add 6 fresh curry leaves. Add 4 pinch of hing for flavor and also it reduces gastric issues. Add 8 cashew nuts. You can also add peanuts if you want, but these are optional. Mix these ingredients very well until it turns light brown. Add 5 small onions cut into small pieces. This is also optional. If you want, you can add, but this will give extraordinary taste. Cook these onions very well. After onion is cooked, add 3 brinjals now. Brinjal has good amount of fiber and it is good for health. Add quarter spoon of turmeric for color. Add 3/4 spoon of salt. Salt is added for rice as well. Now mix all these ingredients and cook it for minimum 3 minutes. Before adding the Wangibath powder, all the brinjals needs to get cooked properly. Now you could see brinjals are 50% cooked. Again just cook it for another 2 minutes. Add 2 spoons of Wangibath powder. Mix the powder gently with brinjal. Don't break the brinjal, just gently mix it. Even without mixing the rice, we can have it like a curry with any variety rice. That also you can do. For faster cooking, close it with lid. After 3 minutes, take out the lid and you could see brinjal is cooked very well and also it is soft. Now be ready with your cooked rice. Add 2 cups of cooked rice. Here I have taken the normal rice. If you want, you can use basmati as well, but by traditional method we can use the normal rice. Mix the rice slowly and gently with the brinjals. All the spices should mix with the rice, then only it will taste good, so mix it thoroughly. You can make this rice for any parties. This will be a different rice and everybody likes it. Now it is mixed very well, but I felt it was little bit dried. So I am going to add 1 spoon of oil to this so that it will be good to eat. To make it more softer, we have to keep the flame in low and close with the lid. Then cook it for minimum 2 minutes. The rice will become soft. After 2 minutes, take out the lid and wangibath is ready. Sprinkle some coriander leaves and you can transfer to the serving bowl. Have this rice with any raita or potato fry. The taste will be really good. Take one cashew nut, one brinjal and little rice and have it. The combination of crunchy and the softer taste of brinjal and rice will be really good. Try this recipe and leave your comments. Thank you.